In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add socks to Brave browser. Let's get started. First, launch the Brave browser on your device. Make sure it is up to date for the best performance. Opening the browser is your gateway to customizing your browsing experience. Brave is known for its speed and privacy features, so keeping it updated ensures you're getting the most secure experience available. Once Brave is open, look toward the top right corner of the window. You'll see the main menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines. Click on that icon. This menu gives you access to many of the browser's features and settings. It's like the control center for Brave, providing quick access to everything you need to manage your browsing environment. Now, from the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you can configure how Brave behaves to suit your needs. Adjusting settings is crucial because it allows you to tailor the browser to your preferences. Whether it's privacy settings or appearance, this section has it all. Next up, within the Settings menu, you'll need to click on Open your computer's proxy settings. This step is essential because it takes you directly to your system's network settings. By accessing these settings, you can manage how your device connects to the internet, including the use of proxies that can enhance your privacy online. Now that you're in the Windows Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Manual Proxy Setup. Click Setup. This section is where you can manually configure how your device connects through a proxy server. It's important to ensure you scroll down to avoid missing this critical configuration area. At this point, you should see an option to toggle Use a Proxy Server. Go ahead and toggle this switch to On. Enabling this option allows your computer to connect to the internet through a proxy server. This adds an extra layer of privacy and can help in accessing content that might be restricted in your region. With that ready, you'll see an address box. Here, type socks =127.0.0.1, but remember to replace 127.0.0.1 with your actual socks server IP address. Then enter your port number. Once you've entered these details, click Save. This step is crucial because it ensures your changes are registered, allowing your internet traffic to be routed through the socks proxy. By following these steps, you've successfully configured Brave browser to use a socks proxy server. This is beneficial for maintaining online privacy and security. Remember, using a proxy can also help in bypassing network restrictions, giving you more freedom on the web. Each step in this process is vital for ensuring that your browser connects through the socks proxy correctly. If you encounter any issues, double-check the IP address and port number you entered. Small errors can prevent successful connection, so accuracy is key here. And there you have it. You've now learned how to add socks to Brave browser. By taking control of these settings, you optimize your online experience and enhance your digital privacy. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.